The needles of any sewing machine need to be changed out on a regular basis. Now we have a whole bunch of needle videos. If you click right up here in this top right corner on that eye, we have videos to help you master which needle for which fabric. So they're really short and sweet, but they truly can save you a lot of headache. So to change a needle, what you need to do is you need a screwdriver, and you might like to actually use the multi-purpose tool that came with this machine. Notice that it has a little hole and you can slide up the needle. That way when you loosen the screw, it will catch the needle as it falls out. Now vice versa, did you notice it has kind of a flat side up here? That way you can help keep the flat side of the needle towards the back of the machine. Put the point down first and then lift it all the way up. Now you do have to make sure you get that needle as high up as it will go. And I have a little trick for you once we get this tightened. Now when you tighten the screw for the needle, you want to tighten it. You can tighten it first with your fingers. You can give it just a little bit more with the screwdriver. But keep in mind, if you really crank on that screwdriver and turn it too tight, you will eventually break this area and make it so it doesn't hold the needle in. So just be careful. A gentle turn with the screwdriver is all you need. Now to double check that your needle is all the way up as high as it's supposed to go, use your needle threader and see if the two align. So if they aren't aligned, means your needle's not high enough. But look here, see how that needle threader lines up perfectly with the hole of the needle? Now I know I have everything perfectly brought to the highest position.